At times, what might so happen that you have a lot of files. Let's say we are having these different CSV files. So basically this is the dump data of all the tweets which I posted a long time ago, and I want them to be consolidated in a single file. How will you do that? Manually you can just open each files and copy paste the values, but it will take a while, and in case you're having hundreds of such files, then it will be a crazy task to do. So if you're using Linux or Unix, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to your terminal and go to the folder, and once you are inside that folder, all you have to do is just type cat and star dot slash, which basically means current folder, star dot csv, because the file format here is CSV, and in case you are having different files in the folder, then they will all be aggregated. We don't want that. We just want all these CSV files which are there in the current folder to be aggregated, and space greater than sign and let's say mega.csv. So basically it will open each of these files by itself, copy the values into one single file, and those values will be stacked up or down according to the sequence of the files. So the moment you will do it, a new file will be created which will be having larger size, and also all the values will be there in this document. So this makes it extremely easy to copy paste all the values of all the files into one single file. As you can see, we can just keep on scrolling, and there are so many values which we wanted to aggregate. So cat command in this case is a lifesaver for all the marketeers or anyone who is working on such use case. Thanks a lot for watching our tutorial. In case you liked it, please leave a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel.